Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram site issue. Maybe you can see a page kind like this. In this situation, maybe Instagram server is down. So if I Google and ask Google to is Instagram down, then it shows me like this. You can see now it's down here. So if I scroll down, and you can see most people are reported for this problem by app and websites. By app 84%. So you have to just, for this reason, you have to just wait for some hours for this. You have to just wait. There is nothing to do for this problem. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.